For the right vehicle, check out the 2016 S60. Downright shameless with the affection it shows for curves. Volvo S60 is waiting for you and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.